Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. The other week I did a poll on my Instagram. I'll put the information right here. I did a poll on my Instagram to see what it was that you guys were wanting for my next YouTube video. And the response was heavily put on the idea for today's video. I have in store for us 2 Magnolia Home dupes that you guys can create at your home. I love Joanna Gaines' style when it comes to decor, especially. Some of it can be a little farmhousey, which is not my typical theme for decorating, but the typical theme for her decor is incorporating a lot of natural elements, so clays, cements, woods. I just really like her style. Because I vibe with her decor style so much, I am actually going to have 2 videos dedicated to Magnolia Home dupes. I went into a little bit more detail with explaining things in these 2 videos, so I wanted to make sure that they weren't 30 minutes long. I wanted to keep with that like 10 to 15 minute time frame for you all, because otherwise it's just too much. So ultimately there will be 2 videos that incorporate Magnolia Home dupes. So I'm really excited for that. Today I have 2 faux flower press prints for us to go over, and also a textured vase that was $1.25. I got this vase from the Dollar Tree, and we all know that Dollar Tree is no longer just $1, it's $1.25. So I spent a whopping $1.25 on our second project for today. So I mean, you just can't buy a decor piece from Magnolia Home for $1.25. So I hope that you guys stick around for that. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you are ready to create some Magnolia Home dupes, come on with me. Let's go create. this happened. I used air dry clay for this project, and while it was drying, I noticed it started to crack right through here. Well, as it continued to dry, and even after I started to paint it, that crack just went all the way across, and I picked it up from top to bottom, and it just went and broke right in my hands. But I think it still looks really cool, and I'm gonna try and see if what I have in mind is still gonna work. We will see how it goes. But the paint on top of leaving this, just the air dry clay color, oh my gosh, I love how this looks. So I am gonna try to make this work. So that's it for today's video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss part 2 coming out in the next couple of weeks to incorporate some more Magnolia Home dupes. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.